Updating your email address on Reddit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Visit the Reddit website or open the app, then enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select User Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Account tab. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the Account tab. This section contains all the information related to your account, including your email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Locate the field displaying your current email address. Click on it to edit, then enter your new email address. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Reddit. Keeping your account information up to date is important for security and communication.